Cromolly. I don't know if we fixed the freewheel or not from till I put the chain on it. So we actually got some new nice grips. Last week we got these handlebars off of a bike they were stripping, put them on, and so yeah, this works pretty good. If you and we're going to work on this side. This one's almost done. Anyway, how we doing? We got her, I probably would change the pedals, you know. Anyway, we're almost done. We're just adjusting things, but how's it looking tonight? Those handlebars look pretty cool, huh? Those handle grips. I think I'll take her for a test drive and then we'll cut off all these extra long cables. All right. Thanks for watching the Virtual Bike Kitchen.